What is going on, everyone? My name is Dan, and I'm about to be reacting to some more Alter Bridge. Today we got Live at Wembley. This is Blackbird. You guys suggested it, so I'm checking it out. You let me know that they're not really a big music video band. You're better off to check out the lyric videos and the live performances. So that's what I'm doing. We got a live one. Let's see how good they do live, because that really is a tell of whether or not you're a good band. Can you perform your song that you made in the studio as well live as you made it in the studio? So, enough talking. Let's get into it and see how they do. Alright. A little soft start here.
We're going to do a song that's over the years, a lot of you have made us aware of what it means to you and means in your life. And with any of our songs, when you do that, I mean, it really does kind of give us purpose, makes this all, and that's why we do it. When you guys tell us that stuff, it really makes us feel like there's something going on here between us, and we love it. So thank you for sharing that stuff with us.
So this seems like it might be more of like a slower song, maybe not as heavy, maybe a little more touching. Sounds like it might be something more interpersonal or connect with people in a certain way. So I'm interested to see where they go with this, because normally I feel like they're a little bit of a heavier band, but maybe this isn't so much. But maybe it is, I have no idea. Let's keep going.
And this song was written for, the lyric was written for a friend that he sold me my first guitar a long time ago. What I would give for him, I wish he was here tonight to be a part of all this. This goes out for Mr. Mark Morris, wherever you are.
Either he's really tired or this song means a lot to him, because you can like see it in his face. But it could also be because he's already been performing and kind of like, a little worn out already. But it could go either way. I might find out how important this really is in a little bit, though. It's a nice sound. I like it. Little bird hand. Got the bass coming in now.
Willow, it weeps today.
What's the password for the cable bill?
Rollerblade King 22.
Commercials.
Okay. What about the phone bill?
From the distance, she's calling your name, and for your black wings and wave across the horizon is coming to sweep you away. He's coming to sweep you away.
So far, this is nothing like what I've ever heard from Alter Bridge. I've only really heard a few songs from them, but this is not like any of the songs I've heard from them so far. This is interesting.
To sweep you away.
Bringing the drums now. Alright, kicking it up. There we go. That guy's got a great voice. That's live. That was on point. He did not falter at all at any point in that vocal. That's a good sign of a good lead singer. Because I tell you what, there's a lot of bands out there that sound good from the studio, but then when they go live, doesn't really sound anything like it. That was good.
Fragile cannot endure, erect and the jaded, a place so impure, the static of this cruel world. He got some bats to fly long before they've seen their day.
He's got an interesting, like, in some of his notes, like an interesting, like, rasp to the back of his voice that it's almost like a nasally rasp. I don't really know how to put it, but it's very distinct, and I've never really heard anyone else have that kind of sound in their voice. So that really stuck out to me.
Long before they've seen their day. Long before they've seen their day.
I love the mixture of intensity and like soft points where they're like kind of taking you on more of like a journey through this song where it's like bringing you up and pushing that emotion and bringing you back down, feeling kind of like you're resting again. And I really like songs that do that because it's not just one sound the entire time. You kind of feel like there's like multiple, you can really feel the multiple sections of the song, and I don't know, it just gives you more of, it gives you multiple different feelings within the song. Like you can feel the intensity and the energy and the emotion, but then you can also feel like the subtleness and being more relaxed, or maybe feeling more of like a sadness almost, or depending on what way you take it. And yeah, it's a lot more diverse than just a like a flat song that just runs through pretty standard. I mean, when I react to songs like that, sometimes I have difficulty even going through like reacting to it or saying something to it because it's kind of just the same thing all the way through. I could say everything in the beginning and that be it. But this is not the case. This is why I like this. I love the sound of it, like the drums there with the sticks.
May you find no resistance, and know you made such a difference, and all you leave behind will live till the end. And the cycle of suffering goes on, but the the memories of you stay strong. And someday I too will fly and find you again. Yes, I will.
Oh, I love solos. This was really cool for a couple reasons. One, the start. While the lead singer was doing the solo, it was like not a super intense solo, and it really still kept the heart of the song, and it just wasn't overly crazy just because it was a solo. And trust me, I love crazy solos, but this fit the song so well, and it really kept that emotion. And somehow, what he was doing just made that like image in my head flow perfectly of like what I'm like kind of imagining while I'm listening to this song. Kind of, I don't know if anyone else does that, where you're listening to a song and you have basically your own little music video going on in your head if you're not currently watching one. But yeah, it fits so well, and it just meshed with the song so well, and it was like, I don't know if they specifically wrote that solo that way, or if it was just kind of, a live solo that he just managed to perform that well. And then he did a toss. This is what was weird, or not just what I haven't really seen happen before, is tossed off the solo, and then someone else kept going with that solo like seamlessly, and then finished it off, and it got progressively more intense as that guy was doing that solo, and then really killed it at the end and sold it off, and they wrapped up that part of it. But that was awesome. I want to hear a little bit more of the ending of that solo, so I'm gonna go back a little bit. Dude, the lead singer being able to sing like that and play the guitar at the same time is always like, lead singers playing the guitar and singing has always blown my mind. What he's doing right here is crazy. It's like, I can't imagine having to focus on two things like that intensely, but that just shows how good someone actually is. Like that is a lot of talent. I have like struggled tying my shoes and holding a full conversation at the same time, let alone doing that. But that's just because I'm an idiot. He's obviously like a master performer, but like it still blows my mind. Wow, that
Nacho
ending.
fries are
Commercials, jeez, always just pop up. I hit pause, whatever. Yeah, that ending was incredible, dude. Like the way they just really used the guitars to push that emotion. It's was very intentional, I could tell, and it was very good. This is really all I can say. It's like I was just sitting there feeling it. I felt the emotion coming out of that guitar, as well as his vocals. But the fact, like, they could have just done instrumental the entire time, and I would have been okay with it. They're just so good with that. Man, their guitars were so good. They were doing interesting sounds in the backgrounds with the drums, too. A lot of different layers to this song. And this is not what I typically thought Alter Bridge would sound like. So it's like, I like to see more of the diversity here. It's really cool to me. You guys were not lying. This was definitely what I should have checked out. I like the emotion out of this. I don't know Alter Bridge too much, but the best I can pretty much compare it to is this song reminds me of a few songs from Shinedown. I'm more familiar with them, and it kind of holds true the similarities, at least, where they have like these deeper songs. Just comparing this song Blackbird, at least, there's like a deeper song. They have like softer points, high intense like singing points, really good guitar. But yeah, that's why I love Shinedown, and obviously this is why I'm really starting to like Alter Bridge more too. You guys are definitely have to leave in the comments more suggestions for Alter Bridge to check out, because I have not really listened to much of their music at all, so I bet there's a lot of stuff that I need to discover and check out. And this has only been viewed. It was only. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong video here. When was this? How much? Ah, okay, that makes more sense. Okay. I was looking at another video. It only had like 100,000 views on. I was like, how does that only have 100,000 views? It has more like over 5 million. That's a little bit more like it. Um, but thank you for the suggestion. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe as well. If you're new to my channel, go check out the other reaction I did to a new Alter Bridge song. And, check out some of the other music. For anyone who's a returning subscriber, I appreciate you and thank you for coming back and watching another video. But for everyone, thanks for hanging out and watching this Alter Bridge video with me. I love checking out new music that I've never heard before, so it's always so exciting when I listen to new music I actually like, because that just means I'm expanding my music library. And, I don't know if you guys are the same as me, but I'm not a huge fan of listening to the same song over and over and over again, so the more songs I get that I really enjoy, the better. And, if you guys check out my channel, maybe you'll find a few songs I've reacted to that, you can add to your playlist as well. So, but I look forward to talking to you guys about this band a little bit more down in the comments. There's so much more I need to figure out, and so many more songs I need to discover. So we got a little bit of a journey to go here, but I appreciate you guys for coming along with me and doing this and helping me out. But thank you for watching, and I will catch you around.